Deactivate Facebook account. First of all, after you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu, all you have to do now, tap on this settings icon. Under the settings icon, all you have to do now, tap on this see more in account center. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this personal details. Under this personal details, all you have to do now, tap on this account ownership and control. Under account ownership and control, tap on this section, deactivation or deletion. Under this, as you can see now, I have my Instagram account connected to my Facebook account. So now I'll just go and deactivate only the Facebook account. So select the Facebook account. So as you can see now, it already selected deactivate account. So here is it. So tap on this continue button. So as you can see now, I already have my Facebook page under this Facebook account. So if I deactivate the Facebook account, my Facebook page will be deactivated as well. So I agree with this term and condition. I'll just go and tap on this continue. So now it will ask you to type in your password before you continue. I'll just go and type in my password. So after you type your password, tap on this continue button. So now it will ask you to choose a reason for deactivating your Facebook account. So just go and review all these reasons and choose the one that you just desire, that you just want to use on your Facebook deactivation process. So for me, I'll just go with this last option. I'll just type like no need. So after you type just no need, so tap on this continue. Scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, here it says if you want to just deactivate your Facebook Messenger as well, tap on this section. So now if you tap on this section now, if you check on this section now, you can deactivate your Messenger as well. So tap on this deactivate my account. So if I tap on this deactivate my account now, it will deactivate my account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please go ahead and write it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.